Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss another numerical, that is a sound source vibrate at 200 hertz. The sound source that its frequency is 200 hertz and it's receding from a stationary observer at 18 meter per second. Stationary observer, so V naught is equal to 0 and velocity of the source is 18 meter per second. The speed of sound is 331 meter per second. Now we find the what frequency of the observer. Here we use the formula f prime, v plus minus vo, v plus minus vs, f. Vo is equal to 0. So here we use the value of plus because it is receding from the observer. So apparent frequency is decreased. So here if this value is increased, this value is decreased. So v is 331 plus 18 multiplied by f is 200. So here we write 331 over 349, 200, 0.948 into 200, that is the value of the f prime is equal to 189.6 hertz. That is the apparent frequency that is heard by the observer. On this numerical says that suppose a train that has a 150 hertz horn is moving at 35 meter per second in still air on a leaf and the speed of sound is 340 meter per second. On this is the frequency is given of the horn is 150 hertz and at moving and speed of the train is moving, that is the 35 meter per second. Here the train is the source because it horn is 150 hertz and produces the sound in still air on a leaf and the speed of sound is v is equal to 340 meter per second. In option A we found the what frequency are observed by stationary person at the side of the track as the train approaches and after it passes. In A we found that when the train approaches. In B we find the when train passes. Here we use the formula f prime, v plus minus vo over v plus minus vs over f into f. Here we use also the f prime, v plus minus vo, v plus minus vs into f. Here is the observer is stationary, so vo is equal to 0 meter per second, so this velocity is 0. V is, that is 340 and here v is 340. Here we use the minus sign because when the train is approaches then apparent frequency is increased, so here we use the minus and vs is equal to 35 and f is 150 and here is the f prime, v is 340 when the train passes, so when the apparent frequency decreases, so here we use the plus sign, vs is 35 and into frequency is 150, so is equal to 340 divided by 305 into 150, that is equal to 1.11 into 150, that f prime is equal to 167 hertz. And here is the f prime is 340, 375 into 150, so it is equal to 0.90 into 150, that is equal to f prime is equal to 136 hertz. In this numerical, we discuss the first overtone of an open organ pipe has the same frequency as the first overtone of the closed organ pipe. We know that the Fn is equal to Nf1 for open pipe, that is first overtone, N is equal to 2, so F2 is equal to 2 F1. For open pipe, F1 is equal to V over 12, so here is the F2 is equal to 2 V over 2 L. And similarly for Fn is equal to Nf1 for closed pipe first overtone, N is equal to 2, so F2 is equal to 2 F1 and F1 is equal to V over 4L. So here we write F2 is equal to 2 V over 4L. This is the for closed pipe and for open pipe. Okay? Then first overtone of open pipe is equal to first overtone of closed pipe. So here is the 2V over 2N is equal to 2V over 4L. This is for open pipe, so here we write LO. This is for closed pipe, here we write LC. 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2. So here we find the LO. V and V is cancel, so LO is equal to 2LC. Length for open pipe is length for closed pipe, that is given 3.6 meters. So here we write LC, that is the 3.6, put is here. So we get LO is equal to 7.2 meter. That is the all about the length of the open pipe and the first overtone of closed and open pipe are equal.